Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use activity types in Pipedrive. This will help you keep your to-dos organized and make your pipeline easier to manage. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left side menu. Then, click on Activities. This is where you can see all your upcoming tasks, calls, meetings, and deadlines in one place. Once you are in the Activities section, go to the top and click on the plus icon to create a new activity. Now, a form will open. Start by selecting the activity type. You can choose Call, Meeting, Task, or Deadline, depending on what you want to schedule. Next, add a clear title for your activity. For example, you can write something like Call to Confirm Project Scope or Prepare Proposal Draft. Then, set the due date and time so it shows correctly on your calendar. After that, link the activity to the relevant person, organization, or deal to keep everything connected. You can also add notes if needed. Include any important details, talking points, or prep work so you remember exactly what to do. If reminders are available in your setup, choose a lead time so you get notified in advance. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your activity is now set and will appear in your activities list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.